How did you want to do this? You feel like you know what you're doing. I don't know why I started. You said twist it 6 times. Right, lost count, I got panicked. I think you've done it more.
Well done, Christoph.
Next, you want to compare?
Yeah, pour it in the glass and I'll film it. The start
Are
of
we
the
going on
holiday.
holiday with you, or are you more the documentary?
Documentary.
Bonafide hustler, making my name. Sometimes I think sitting on trains. Every step I get to, I'm clocking that game.
There you go.
I was saying this is going to be the footage at the beginning of the documentary after we've all died.
There we go, that's good.
And it's like, oh, I wrote down the
Yeah.
Lord. No one gives me that. But yeah, I just... Thanks, do you want a beer?
I would like, I'll have a beer.
I'll have a beer. 5 beers.
Sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless.
Zoom with your arms.
Is it on?
Yeah.
So one thing I'm most looking forward to is the beach.
I'm most excited about, is it Vesuvius? Are we going to Vesuvius? Yeah. That.
Hello, I'm Ian Apple. My name is Andy, and I'm really looking forward to discovering Pompeii.
I'm most excited for, I think the boat trip, to be fair, that the whole day out.
Okay, Izzy, unfortunately can't see this video yet.
Hi, I'm Marcus, and I'm most excited for getting in the sea.
Really?
I am most excited for the beach and beer.
We've had that answer like 4 times. Just blown away. The sun.
I am most excited to swim in the sea, same as everyone else. And food, gelato, and with espresso on, so affogato.
Affogato, nice.
And I'm excited to eat some fish.
And I want bruschetta.
I would like to have either a risotto or a spaghetti with squid ink.
Probably something lemony. I know it sounds really weird, but because the lemons are from there. Or like...
All lemons are from there?
Yeah,
no,
every
like
single one.
yeah, every single lemon in the world.
Have you ever eaten lemon
the
before?
best, like limoncello and stuff.
Wow.
And food, I'm most excited for pizza.
And then food, seafood, but octopus, not octopus.
A fresh apple. Have we got enough people filming? A litre of beer.
That was a really good game.
And here we are at some temple. Say hello, people.
Hi, babe.
Hello.
The Zoom function.
I don't mean that like as an insult. It's like a practical gesture. Where's yours?
Oh, here's Addy causing shit. It's busy as fuck. Isabella? Oh shit. And here we go. Through to guessing this is some kind of open square. Maybe this is what we'll do. We'll do Lead Narrates Pompeii from what the fuck he thinks it is.
Who are you talking to?
The camera. Some mountain thing. Addy being a bitch. And there is a centaur. Oh, got a bit of a face.
You look so in your element with the CamCorder. I'm not at it.
Ops on the centaur.
What? I could take him. Ooh, no, he's got a head in his ass. Couldn't take him.
Fair enough.
Also, how are the pillars so neat? I didn't realise lava was so, like, you know, OCD.
That's a perfect one.
Beds with backrests. So yeah, like a sofa bed.
A sofa bed.
So, MTV, welcome to my crib.
This is what looks like a was a Colosseum. Not as good as Rome, can't lie. It's really hot, I'm sweating my tits off. But this has been good so far. There's still more to come, so enjoy.
Well, I know you know better everything I say. Meet me in the country for a day.
How's Pompeii?
So, Addy, what is the first impressions of Pompeii?
Nice.
Yeah?
He thinks it's a very good system of
The
administration.
system of administration is very satisfying.
And mine.
No, stop. No cameras. No cameras.
First impressions of Pompeii?
It's better than Naples, I have to say. Hi guys, we've decided not to go out today. There's V with his big glass.
Like the modern day version of the doctor's hat.
What are you talking about, girls?
Theatre. Darling.
Oh my god, look at this pizza. I'm not Marcus. I'm
This was
I think it's shit.
Oh, it was alright.
Oh, this is a good one. Oh, I like that.
My main thing is that they don't put the chicken select chicken.
Burgers, alright. Nuggets, they put pepper in. Who does that, right?
I think I was drunk when I had Mackey's
Must have been.
last time.
Let me first preface this by saying I am no Mackey's connoisseur. Some very good elements, some not so good elements. It's reasonably crispy. And it one thing that I like, actually, you simply don't get that in England.
No.
That's the Italian flair. But here's the thing. It's unfortunate that I ordered a large. Let me just say this. Mohammed from Super Kebab would be disappointed.
Right, Bex, first beach lounger. How's it going?
It's quite good. My feet hang off the edge, my head's not going. Is that right?
Yeah, I think you're just tall.
This doesn't need to be built.
She's born in black and white. Makes you feel warmer when you're trying to remember what you are. She likes to leave you hanging on a word. Suddenly I see, this is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see, why the hell it means so much to me. But this is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see. She's taller than most, and she's looking at me. I can see her eyes looking from the page.
And then I was gonna say, we interrupted it, but he brought me beer, so it made it even better. Yeah, we were just saying we've really done this quite well because we've just been lying here while people are bringing us food and drinks. It's great. I don't know if I can. Oh, am I in it? I am in it.
She got the power to be the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah. She got the power to be the power to give, the power to see, yeah, yeah. Suddenly I see, this is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see, why the hell it means so much to me. This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see, why the hell it means so much.
Why don't you focus?
So you're getting those like associated artsy kind of, you know?
The trains are so.
Not anymore.
Yeah, this isn't looking good, guys.
What, you don't like the CamCorder?
Is it?
Sognare, volare, guardarti così e fare l'amore per dirti col cuore ti amo così. Bella Italia, bella Italia. Ciao Italia, pizza, spaghetti e gatti sui tetti ma anche nostalgia. Piena di sole quel po' che ci vuole di malinconia. Ti amo così. Bella Italia.
Marcus has never had a camera before.
Ciao amore, ci vediamo in Italia. Ciao amore.
I'm actually so glad we did have lunch.
In which case?
I know I was awake. Oh yeah, I was going to do a nap ski. They're like,
we have extra.
So cute.
We're all clapping outside.
Say that.
Gracias.
Yeah, our first round was in the wrong location, that's why you couldn't see them.
So we're all going to use.
Happy 21st, Izzy.
They were expensive.
That's your present. We don't want to give it away.
Becca's gift. Everyone.
I don't know if I trust
What do we think of the dinner, Addy?
Out of 10, I think it's 9.5.
Good score, good score, good score.
Oh no.
Izzy T, gotta be quick, people. What score?
I would agree 9.5 definitely. Did you say 9.5? Yeah. I'd say 9.5.
10.
I'd also say 10. I don't know what the 5's for.
I would say 10 because of the company.
I know what the 5's for. Lack of vinegar.
10.
Oh, great. Lack of vinegar was 0.5, but other than that.
You got company as well. Yeah, I'm saying 10 because of the company.
What company paid
So
you
it's
to be here?
9.5, but like
that makes it
the zero, like you guys just made it that bit better.
No, okay, fine.
Someone went to a restaurant.
Yeah, but I come for free. Do I need to start charging?
And this took
Genuinely? Can I make money from this?
I would pay for you to come.
Really?
Look at this, guys. It looks so good.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Iz!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Shall I show you around the house? Kitchen. Look at the toilets. And utility. And the bathroom. Very pretty. This is Grayson's business room.
Thoughts? This armchair is the comfiest thing I've ever sat in.
Can I have it?
There's a view, and that was intentional.
She calls
I'm gonna do this every day with it.
Chocolate fruit flavours. We've got Ferrero Rocher and Amarillo cherry, I think.
Nice.
Pistachio and another nutty one. I think it might be pistachio but crunchy. Lotus Biscoff.
Chocolate.
Chocolate fondant.
Yeah, of course.
What do you mean of course?
And Nutella. Nice. A caramel peanutty one and then a chocolate Nutella, I don't know. It's really good. Dinner.
I might have to get up a bite.
That's a big one. Wow.
Happiness hit her like a train on a track, coming towards her, stuck still, no turning back.
I had to put my arm down because I was too tired.
She hit around corners,
The lens cap's on.
she hit on my bed.
That's better.
And from it she fled. With every bubble she sank with a drink and washed it away down the kitchen sink. The dog days are over. The dog days are done. The horses are coming, so you better run. Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your longing behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The dog days are over. The dog days are done. Can you hear the horses as they come? Happiness, I hit her like a bullet in the back. Struck from a great height by someone who should have known better. The dog days are over. The dog days are done. Can you hear the horses? 'Cause here they come. Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father, run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your longing behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The dog days are over. The dog days are done. Can you hear the horses? 'Cause here they
And take it hot together.
I think it's take
S
it.
for it.
And that's take me, is it not?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is
take
it?
Me.
Oh.
This is for those who'd like a moment.
Check the rhyme and rhythm, it's nice and different. Plus it's bright and brilliant, kinda how I like my women. That's the right opinion, although at night I'm slipping. When I never ring and now she thinks that I'm a villain. See, I'm not festive, but I quite like presents. Don't wanna die, but I quite like heaven. Want a good place, but I don't like waiting. Wanna go crazy, but I'm not patient. Wanna be smart, but I don't like learning. Wanna be rich, but it takes time earning. Wanna be fit, but I don't like running. Then I see you and I wish I'd done something I like. You're
to the good bit. Let's skip to the good bit.
So, been here 2 days, stone. Still no step that stone. Still not moving on. Now let us go. I will take control. No more moving slow in this situation. I like your style. Been watching you for a while. I said, oh yeah, let's dance. And then
It's creepy as hell.
We got that real vibe. We don't know what we're doing, but it feels right. Yeah, listen up, yo. Feeling alive is a good way to kill time. Check, and we're bubbling up. We came here with nothing but love. We stay easy. Yeah, and if trouble's a must, you gotta stay till they pack up the club just to please me. I say, let's skip to the good bit. Yeah, I say, let's skip to the good bit. I say, let's skip to the good bit. Yeah,
Let's skip to the good bit.
Smile. Smile.
let's skip to the good bit.
Because I bought onto
Brizzle kicks, yeah, roaring 20s, done now.
Hello, Marcus.
This is TikTok time.
Maybe next year I'll have no time to think about the questions to address. Am I the one to try to stop the fire? I wouldn't test you, I'm not the best you could have attained. Why try anything? I will get there. Just remember,
Off ways to go. It's quite iconic.
I can tell this what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. And I can say it's what you know it the whole time.
Yeah, you said both of them.
Why are we having a debate about which types of boats?
Because he's not a